Have you ever pondered over the secret behind the lush green leaves that rustle in the wind? Ever wondered how plants manage to make their own food? The answer lies in a fascinating process called photosynthesis. Dive into the world of plants, where we unravel the magic of photosynthesis. Picture this: a plant basking in the sunlight, absorbing the golden rays, and in return gifting us the very air we breathe. This, dear listener, is photosynthesis in a nutshell. But let's delve a bit deeper. Photosynthesis is a two-part series, so to speak. The first part, known as the light-dependent reactions, occurs in the thylakoids, which are like tiny stacked pancakes within a plant cell's chloroplasts. The chloroplasts, with their green pigment chlorophyll, capture sunlight. This sunlight splits water molecules into oxygen, protons, and electrons. The oxygen gets released into the atmosphere, a breath of fresh air for us all. Meanwhile, the protons and electrons, they don't just wander off. They are used to create energy-rich molecules, adenosine triphosphate or ATP, and nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate or NADPH. These two molecules are like the plant's energy savings account, ready to be used in the next part of the photosynthesis process. The second part, known as the light-independent or dark reactions, takes place in the stroma, a fluid-filled space within the chloroplast. Here, carbon dioxide from the air is captured and with the help of ATP and NADPH transformed into glucose. Glucose, the plant's food, is then used for growth, reproduction, and repair. So, photosynthesis is a cycle powered by the sun. It begins with the absorption of sunlight, followed by the splitting of water molecules, the creation of ATP and NADPH, and finally, the transformation of carbon dioxide into glucose. But why does photosynthesis matter? Well, it's the very foundation of life on Earth. Not only does it provide oxygen for us to breathe, but it also serves as the primary source of food for all life forms. Plants use the glucose they produce for growth, and animals, in turn, consume plants for energy. Even the fossil fuels we depend on today are the remnants of ancient plants that have undergone photosynthesis millions of years ago. In a world where sustainability is key, photosynthesis offers us a blueprint for renewable energy. By understanding this process, we can develop technologies that mimic the efficiency and brilliance of photosynthesis, harnessing sunlight to create energy, just as plants do. In essence, photosynthesis is nature's way of maintaining a perfect balance on Earth. It's a silent symphony that plays on day in and day out, ensuring life thrives in all its splendor. So the next time you find yourself basking in the sunlight, remember the incredible process that's happening in every green leaf around you. Photosynthesis, it's not just a process, it's the rhythm of life.